Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover a lost wallet with Capital One, beginner guide step by step clearly. If you realize your wallet is lost, the first step is to remain calm. Check your immediate surroundings first. Look in the last places you remember having it. If you still can't find it, your next step is to secure your Capital One account. Open the Capital One mobile app or visit the website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services section. Choose the option to report your card as lost or stolen. This will temporarily block your card to prevent unauthorized transactions. Follow the prompts to confirm the report. Next, check if you need to freeze your accounts. Some customers choose to freeze their accounts for added security. If you need to freeze your accounts, select that option in the app or website. After securing your account, request a replacement card. Look for the Replace Card option in the Account Services section. Confirm your shipping address for the new card. Your new card will typically arrive within a few business days. In the meantime, review recent transactions for any unauthorized activity. If you notice any suspicious charges, report them immediately to Capital One. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your account. Once your new card arrives, activate it as instructed. Finally, take steps to prevent future losses. Consider using a wallet tracker or storing cards in a secure place. Always keep a record of your important cards and their numbers. With these steps, you can efficiently recover from losing your wallet. Stay proactive to protect your financial information moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.